This 2026 Jayco Eagle HT 28 CRT is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 6, oven, stovetop burner, external shower, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco Eagle HT 28 CRT is 9,515 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.